hope you're having a wonderful start to your day, wherever you are. Look at this. I don't know if you can see, the jacarandas are blooming and we are in the month of September. Oh my goodness. I call it jacaranda confundido. Jacaranda confundido. Am I walking Hendy or Hendy walking me? Which one is it? You're happy to be home, aren't you? You are a happy boy. Oh. So we gonna have a little eggy here, egg and rice. And I can cover it. How do you like your eggs? Fried, scrambled, or boiled? How do you like your eggs? How do you like your egg? 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 So I'm having some leftover rice with eggs for breakfast. Today rice will be my religion because I'm having rice here and there. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did I do now? I don't know how to fry an egg. And you all are witnessing I don't know how to fry an egg. Ah! And then I'm gonna put some rice, I think seasoning on this. Yeah, it's a friend of mine shared this with me. Rice seasoning, and what this has is seaweed and sesame seed, as well as shrimp bits, and I like it. And it's very salty, so I don't need to add salt. This is the breakfast rice with egg and shrimp. And seaweed. did mint and sorrel that I made, and I'm gonna put some nourishment in my tum tum. I said earlier this morning that rice is my religion, so I'm gonna have beans and rice. These beans I made a couple days ago, and so I am going to have it with the rice. Maybe I should bake cookies as well. Where's the rice? The rice, the rice. Beans and rice shall be my religion today. This weekend I should get veggies. This is a quick lunch using leftovers. A little excited to get outside. Hey! The drill is after lunch and dinner, because it's a big one. Big is relative. I would go for a walk with the boy since I am home alone. Let's do some fun activity together. Sit Handy. Sit, sit. No, Handy. Hey. This boy, he's a lot of work. mushrooms growing on the side of the road. Thought I'd just share that. Took a siesta when I came back, and now I am here at the desk with the doggies. This big boy. No. And look at this one scratching me. Look. Ah, stop! Chiquitina! No. He's a jealous boy.